Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. This is part 2 from last week. I'm going to show you how it came out. Most of you said keep the bed. I did do that, but I did turn the furniture around. Let's take a look and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hey, so now for the reveal. I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'm gonna come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Now, what you seen previous was the room where I tried to decide whether or not I wanted to keep the bed. Now, all of your comments, I got a lot of comments, and I truly appreciate it. Most of them said the bed was a keeper. I had one say put it in your guest room. I had another one that says put it against the longer wall. And that's what I have done. That's what I wanted to do, but I didn't have enough room. So as you see what I've done, I went in, I've taken that black love seat out, and I came back in with this beautiful chair, which my grandson can sit in and play his video games. So I exchanged the black couch love seat for this chair. I went in and added the Wildcat logo over here on his wall. I've told you I would frame the other shirt, and that's what jersey, and that's what I've done. I went in and framed that jersey. I've added his Kentucky poster, and I left a little white Jumpman on the wall. and added the Kentucky poster. On the other side, I kept the Chicago Bulls jersey. And then on his dresser, I added all of the Kentucky basketballs. Of course, his TV is here. And I did keep the dresser so far. I don't know if that's something I'm gonna keep or not. We'll just have to wait and see. But for right now, I think it is gonna work. Now, the UK carpet here was gifted to him. This chair was from Ross's. This beautiful bed, as I told you all, it was one of those supervised from Value City that I purchased at the going out of business sale. And as I told you, it was a beautiful bed. And as you can see, it is a beautiful bed. I did go back in, if you all remember, I had the beige side of the comforter showing. I went back in and turned it over to the blue side to give it a punch off of that bed. So I turned it over to the blue side, but I kept the pillow shams on the beige side, and then I came back in with that beige throw. I've added his little Kentucky teddy bear and Spidey. He's had Spidey since he was, about 7. And he still has him. Over here, as I said, I just went in and left the Wildcat basketballs as I had them previous. So we left those. I added a picture of him when he was a little younger. And of course, his TV is here and the colorful print. So this is what I come up with. I truly think once he sees it, he is gonna love it. This little statue here he made when he was about 6. We went to a little craft show. So guys, as I said, I think he is gonna love it. This is the finished look. And I think it turned out great. This is Friends with Super Channels. It is hosted by Gio. You all make sure you stay around and watch all of the Super Channel premieres. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this makeover. And if you're not a part of our family, what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family because we would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.